What's the meaning of cobwebbed? Cobwebbed. Cobwebbed.
Cobwebbed. Cobwebbed. Cobwebbed is an adjective used to describe something that is covered or filled with cobwebs. Cobwebs are made up of fine threads of spider silk and can accumulate in areas that are not frequently cleaned or disturbed. When something has become cobwebbed, it means that it has been neglected and left untouched for a significant amount of time. The accumulation of cobwebs creates a dusty and almost eerie atmosphere, giving the impression that the area or object has been abandoned or forgotten.